everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, well, thank you for clicking on me. This video shows how I made Eivor's Tunic from a £3.50 t-shirt dress from Primark. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask below or over on my Instagram, and as always, I really hope you enjoy the video. I'm sure there are easier ways to get this pattern, but I used a reference photo, uploaded it onto Procreate and began tracing over the pattern, then simply repeated, enlarged and printed. It did take some guesswork for the size I needed to print, however once happy I created a stencil. Once I had my stencil, I began choosing the placement for it, before using acrylic paint and a dry brush to apply the pattern. Make sure that the paint is thick and not watery to prevent it running underneath the stencil. For me, these steps to straighten the sleeves out was the most time-consuming part, so a little tip, avoid buying one like this. But anyway, I unpicked the sleeves before using an iron and starch spray, which really helped hold the new shape as well as look a little thicker and stiff like Eivor's. You can use something like masking tape to really hold back the paint, but as this look is not perfectly crisp and clean, I used ordinary tape as a rough guideline and watered down paint to help dye this dress. Just remember that with watered down paint on fabric, it will run. I wasn't bothered by this, but just bear that in mind. To add the weather into the dress, I used tea bags. Just bear in mind you will need more than one. My final step was to add the bluish-white stripe detailing. I used masking tape and thick acrylic paint. And this was my finished result.